Welcome to Isha Tech Foundation. Myself Isha Mahajan, your teacher and trainer. In the last video, I have told you that what is a word processor, how we can create a document in the word processor. After creating a document, how we can save it, open it and close it. Okay, and in today's video, I am going to teach you how we can select the text from the document. Okay, so as you see, I have created a document. Okay, so how we can select a text? So if we want to select the text, if we want to select the whole text in the document, so what we will do, we will press Ctrl plus A. Simply we will press Ctrl plus A. It is a shortcut key, Ctrl plus A, to select the whole document. Okay, and if we want to select the single word, if we want to select the single word, just move your cursor to that word. Okay, and double click on that. Okay, you can see word is selected, WORD, word. In the second paragraph it's highlighted and it's selected. So we can select a single word by just double clicking with the mouse. Okay, and if we want to select the whole paragraph, so what we can do, we can click here, we can quadruple click. Quadruple click means we'll click 4 times from the mouse. We will click 4 times from the mouse to select the paragraph. Okay, if we want to select a non-consecutive text from the document, non-consecutive means a word from here, second word from second paragraph, third word from third paragraph. Let's suppose if I want to select the word standalone. Okay, next I want to select the word processor, and next I want to select the word newsletter. How is it possible? We can select that by pressing the control key. By pressing the control key. Okay, so let's suppose I have selected output of text, then I pressed control key, then next word, and then next word, then next word, and then next word. So with the help of control key, we can select the non-consecutive text in the document. Okay, so today we will learn the different ways of selecting the text in the document. If we want to select the whole document, we will press Ctrl plus A. If we want to select the single word, then we will double click with the mouse on the starting of the word. And if we want to select the whole paragraph, then we will click 4 times with the mouse. Okay, and if we want to select the non-consecutive text from the document, then we will press the control key and select the text. Okay, so these are the different ways of selecting text from the document. Okay, so next we will continue in the next video that how we can perform editing operations on the document. So we will continue in the next video. Thank you, and so like this video to learn more and enjoy more videos.